Now I just wanted to show you how much wax goes into this pot. And I'll show you once this is melted down what ends up being in there because of all the air that's trapped in between all the flakes. Now I just wanted to show you how much that candle wax leaked down, how much it came down to. So it's probably about a third of the container left. So I'm going to have to add some more. Okay, so I've just filled up the container again. So it's got the third already melted or close to melted wax, and then I've just filled it up again, and I'll show you what that melts down to, and then we're going to get into our tutorial. Okay, so welcome back. So this is what it looks like once it's all melted down, and that was almost two full containers when it was dry. Melts down to about 3/4 of the jug.